Hey guys, Liam here from Killer Inc. Today we're checking out the ACUS M2, a machine built for artists who want total control over power, stroke and feel. To start, let's look at what you get in the box. 3 stroke wheels, which is a 4.5 super heavy, 4.1 heavy and a 3.7 standard. 2 grips, a standard 33mm and a 40mm plus. 2 batteries, or 1 machine, 1 USB-C charging dock with 2 battery slots, some O-rings, some silicone grease and a tool for changing stroke wheels. The ACUS M2 offers a huge amount of customization. First, let's look at the interchangeable stroke wheels that mean you can adjust the machine to your preferences. The 3.7 standard is a good all-rounder, ideal for soft realism, black and grey and colour work. The 4.1 heavy is ideal for bold line work and black work, as well as black and grey and colour. Finally, the 4.5 super heavy is more suited to traditional styles, as well as bold line work and black work. Plus, there is a stepless adjustable needle depth. You can customise to volts or hertz and switch between multiple different torque modes, including ML for lining, M+1 and +2 for harder hitting modes, M0 a natural mode without any software interference, M-1 to -3, soft modes for creating smooth shading. On top of all of this choice, you can save up to 3 custom presets to make your workflow easier and always have your favourite setups ready to go. There's also a selection of artist presets from industry leading artists, which is perfect for beginners still developing their style, including these artists here. Customization isn't the only reason this machine is such a powerhouse. The compact and ergonomic design of the machine gives it a more balanced feel and makes it more comfortable to hold. It weighs around 187 grams with the battery, helping to reduce hand fatigue during longer sessions. You can switch between the standard 33mm grip and a 40mm plus grip to make the machine more comfortable for you. Plus, the brushless motor reduces vibration and noise, making it a more comfortable experience for you and the clients. Let's move on to the batteries. The ACUS M2 comes with a compact lithium-ion 18500 battery, delivering around 4 to 6 hours of runtime, making it ideal for shorter sessions or artists who prefer a lighter, more compact setup. If you opt for the ACUS M2 XTD, the machine features a longer body design with a larger lithium-ion battery, offering around 9 to 11 hours of runtime. This makes it a great choice for long sessions or artists who want maximum battery life without needing to swap batteries mid-session. The LED charge indicator allows you to keep track of the battery charge during sessions. Plus, the USB-C charging dock comes with 2 battery slots, so you can charge 2 batteries at the same time. To power up the machine, you hold the top button down, which takes you to main display, showing the session timer, voltage, hertz, torque mode, battery life and watts. From here, you can navigate to the main menu by clicking the top button once and then a longer second click. This shows you the timer, presets, screen settings, shutdown settings and information about software updates. The artist presets are divided up into soft realism, black and grey, colour work, bold line work, black work and fine line. Once you select the style you want, you can choose between multiple presets from industry leading artists. You can access your own custom presets here as well. The machine is fairly intuitive and easy to understand, which is great considering there are so many customizable options. The way all the options are organised on the machine makes it much easier to navigate and set up to your preference. There are also some useful safety features. The machine can be fully dismantled without needing tools, making it easy to switch between strokes as well as easy to clean. Plus, the machine shuts down automatically after a period of time if you're not using it. You can customise how long it will be before the machine shuts down. If you're looking for a machine that adapts to your style, not the other way around, the ACUS M2 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching and let us know what you think of this game-changing machine in the comments. And don't forget to show this video some love and subscribe to our YouTube channel.